make a water filter demonstration, the materials you will need are water, this is tap water, dirt, empty water bottle, glass or any cup, small rocks, big rocks, cotton balls, and coffee filters. How to prepare the dirty water. You will need dirt and water, and you just have to mix them together. How to make the water filter. So you're gonna grab the empty water bottle and you can squish half of it to make it easier to cut. And I would recommend to cut it lower than what I did because it's harder to put the things in, like the coffee filter and the cotton balls, so I later on had to cut it down. Then you will start off by putting the water bottle in a cup and then putting the coffee filter in the water bottle all the way down. Then you put the cotton balls inside the coffee filter. So then you're gonna put the small rocks and put a little layer on top of the cotton balls. Then you take your bigger rocks and you put a layer on top of the smaller rocks. These rocks will help collect all the dirt and all the gunk that's in the water. Then here's my dirty water in an empty water bottle, and I'm just gonna pour it on top of the rocks, and we'll see that the rocks are collecting the dirt at the top and the water is starting to filter with the coffee filter and the cotton balls. Then I'm just pouring more water over top and letting it sit for a while. As you can see, the water is much more clear than it was when we started. I had to eventually take the water filter up because it was touching the water that was being filtered, and you can see by comparison that there's a very big difference. Then I'm filtering the water that's in the middle once again. And as you can see, it's still coming out with like a tint of yellow, but if you do this a few more times than I did, then the water will definitely be clearer than this. And this water is filtered, but it's still not ready to drink, so you can either put it in the microwave boil it or leave it outside for 24 to 48 hours to kill all the bacteria, larvae, and germs that are in the water. And be very careful because the water is hot. So I just took it out with an oven mitt. And as I said, you should like filter it more than twice so the water isn't like that yellowish. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you learned something new from this video.